Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the problem, SIM versus phone. Power off, remove the SIM, inspect for damage, then reseat it. This often restores contact. If you have a spare phone, test the SIM there. If it works, the issue is the Android device, not the SIM. Once done, boot the phone with airplane mode disabled and mobile data on, and manually select your carrier in settings to ensure the device is attempting the correct network. Now you address software and configuration. Update Android and any carrier settings so the radio firmware and APN profiles are current. Outdated profiles can block registration. Reset network settings to purge corrupt APN or VPN entries. Make a quick backup first, because this removes Wi-Fi passwords. Change preferred network type between 4G, 3G, and 2G, and toggle VoLTE. Different bands may recover a weak registration. These steps retrain the modem to the correct tower and profile. Finish with targeted, higher-risk fixes. Check MA with *#06#. If blank or invalid, your modem firmware may be damaged. Ask your carrier to verify IMSI/MA status and push carrier provisioning to the device. If issues persist, perform a factory reset or reflash radio firmware only after a full backup and carrier advice. And if nothing works, take the phone to a service center. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent service returns in a different location, suspect antenna or tower compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.